Once you've received your order, these are the tools you'll need for installation. A socket wrench with extension and an 8 and 10 mm socket, and a 5 and 6 mm Allen. Begin by locating the bolt of the center of the rear fender and the nut underneath. Using the 10 mm socket and the 5 mm Allen, you can remove them. Be sure to hold on to the factory lock nut, as you will need it for installation. Using your 8 mm socket, remove both seat mounting locations. Align the rack with the rear of the bike. Lift the rear of the seat and set the rack into place. Set the aluminum spacer from your hardware kit on the center of fender and align it with the countersunk hole on the rack. Now insert the countersunk bolt through the rack and into the subframe. Take the factory lock nut from before and screw it on hand tight. Be sure to have the seat mounting hardware aligned like the picture. Install and gently tighten. Now tighten the countersunk bolt. Be sure to hold the bolt stationary and tighten from underneath with your socket. Now go back and make sure everything is tight and secure and you have completed the installation. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.